Hi everyone,
What's up, guys?
welcome to my channel. This is your boy Matthews, aka Matthews08.
And this is Traveltainment. Where are we?
We are at the mall. What is the name of the mall?
This is the Waterfalls Shopping Mall.
It's one of the newest malls here in Zambia. And what are we doing today?
Today we have come to eat at this place. Take a look. It's known as KEG. So this KEG, can you show them a bit? A little bit. KEG is one of the eating places where we have come to eat. So sometimes people ask us questions like, what are you doing if they find us eating?
Yes. So today we are trying burger because people they say that in Africa there is no what?
That we don't have beggars. We don't eat beggars in Africa. So we are also showing
What
the beggar
we are going to show you what they don't show you.
Today what we are showing you is what they don't show you on TV. That is the video for
especially
today,
Western media.
Western media will never tell us. They think that we just hang around whatever.
Around trees.
That maybe we eat from trees like this. There's also a weird fruit. I don't know what the name of this is. They think we eat YouTube Nalesa,
which simply
means YouTube with God. So make sure if you are not subscribed to our channels, guys, please do subscribe to both our channels.
And enjoy.
Guys. Oh, bro, talk to me. What are we eating today?
Today we are trying a burger.
And people think that in Zambia,
particularly in Africa,
they say, Africa, a burger. Yes, so you can eat something here, a burger like, and a lot of people.
You don't have to worry that when I go to Africa, I will not have a burger.
I will starve to death.
No. There is enough food. As long as you've got money,
you can eat. Yes. Okay.
So don't forget to subscribe to his channel.
And there's a lady called Janet who is saving us.
Yes.
Whatever they are, we'll find out. So trying out something new, guys. Wow. Hey.
What you've been missing.
Okay. This
For now, I think we are safe.
and these rings, what do you call them? Onion rings. Oh my god. We are going to enjoy this one, guys. Thank you so much, Janet. So guys, this is what we are eating. Oh my god. YouTubers, it's like we have to. Oh, there is background music. So sad.
That one we just saw.
Wow.
Okay, now you've washed.
Now.
You know what to make.
Hey. That's a thumbnail.
Best thing
And this one. Atishani Ishina. Onion rings.
Onion rings, whatever. Okay, I'm trying the best one. Thank God for the food.
Onion rings. Yeah. In Jesus' name. Amen. Yeah.
Perfecto.
Super.
Now put it here. That thing is delicious, bro. Traveltainment area.
Hi, Janet.
You are enjoying?
So far, so good. Very nice.
This one she begged. What now?
We can't underrate this burger. This burger is not a joke.
The intro we should do it together. On mine and yours, we do YouTube nice.
Oh yeah. Okay, this is good.
When I'm not filming, people they don't come. I'm filming now, of course.
Sardine.
Ege yakula. Bati, nafanya ntiga kulu. Atomoyo kutwafuma. We couldn't eat like this.
Let's go.
Namba, so mwavera. Trade yako na bega.
What's wrong? Unafimbi tukalia. Ile twade konkretiza. Things marembe. Kwa mtu chitako na boss kimwa. Kwa tukachura bale sanga wafwa. Kuchita boss buli walesa. Adu tukachura fe kunza walesa bafwa.
Rumpon dayon.
Oh, wait. Yeah, it's coming. Wow. Guys, this is what they will never show you on TV about Africa.
What they don't show.
Exactly, guys. This one, guys, they will never show you on TV.